Live, laugh, love, haven't y'all heard? It's Jaybird back with another video. So today I'm super excited because as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be organizing my new clothing rack, and I'm also going to be making my bed and doing some laundry, which is like over there in the corner. But I'm going to do some laundry and I have to organize a lot of things. My closet right now looks a hot mess. Set you guys up so y'all can see me make my bed, and there's going to be fancy music being played, and I'm going to show you my plants after that. And give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment below. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so now it smells amazing in here, and it's a lot better than where I started off, as my bed is now made, and now I need to fix this little area below me. So this area right here is called my meditation area, and as you can see, it doesn't look like I've been really meditating. It looks very crazy. That's my violin. I see y'all could peek a little bit of my soil. I'm about to introduce you guys to my new plants. But yeah, this whole area just really needs to be wiped down and cleaned and figured out, because right now it's just bothering me. I don't like the way it looks so cluttered. And this is supposed to be like my sacred area to meditate, to write down in my journal and things like that. So it just really needs to be organized and just look better. So I'm about to get into that and fix this whole area. I want to make love to you. So now this area looks a lot better. It's less congested. I also found my ring, but I feel like this just looks a lot better. It doesn't look so congested. I can actually meditate here. I have both of my singing bowls. Of course, I have all my sages and all of my crystals laid out, and my chakra bracelet here, so everything is laid out. Also a card explaining which each chakra is. I had to throw away my candles because they just looked a hot mess and I need new ones, so I probably will find some new ones to get to add to the table to maybe fill in this space, or I can get rid of these fake succulents. So these are fake plants, and I'm going to introduce you to my real plants that I just purchased a couple of days ago. All right, guys, so officially I am a plant owner, and I wanted to show you guys my new plant. So this is Lo. It's an aloe vera plant. I call her Lo because she's low key. If you come up really close, these little spikes will spike you like no cap. She is very healthy because I just purchased her, so she is flourishing to her best abilities. So my next plant is a Fittonia plant, or a nerve plant, and I purchased this a couple of days ago as well. And her name is Faux because she looks like a fake plant, but she's real. So those are her leaves, and her soil has to stay moist, so it still is moist, so I'm not going to water her anytime soon. She is from Peru, so she's used to being super kind of moist and have like a humidifier near her. This is a really good plant to have in your home, so I guess I can give you guys like plant updates of what's going on in my life. But yeah, this is Lo, this is Faux, and I'm so happy you guys get to meet them. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and put some more potting soil into Lo as an aloe plant, because it's just really important that she has some more soil around her so she can be continuously grounded and the roots can spread. Also, I got some indoor plant food to have for my plants. I also got this cool water thing. So this is what I've been, let me shake this around. This is what I've been spritzing my plants with, just to get the dust off and keep them clean. And then I also have some terrarium tools, but I also use these tools for my indoor plants because my plants are smaller. So I have a brush, and I know like for a terrarium you would like brush your stones off and everything. This is actually nice to use. I try to keep this as clean as possible, to just brush my leaves gently. Of course, a shovel, a rake, and then also this is used for a terrarium as well, to move certain things around in the terrarium. but I probably won't use this as much, but I might use it for faux because as a nerve plant, I've noticed the leaves are kind of low, so I might have to pull the leaves out so they can actually elongate themselves. So hopefully, or not, like I'm learning things as I go, and I'm clicking on plant videos, not only on YouTube, but just looking up stuff on the internet and reading books about plants. So hopefully I can keep these plants alive. Wish me the best of luck. If you guys own a plant or have any advice, please leave down some information below.
Can you feel the vibe? 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 A young queen.
So I'm a whole just kidding. I thought my furniture piece was coming today, and it's definitely not coming till Wednesday. I'm gonna have to come back to this video on Wednesday once it gets here so I can build it and y'all can see that part as I put it together and assemble it and put it over there in that corner. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know why I just said it like that, but once I have that and I'll be able to put that together, the whole room will be a whole vibe. But now that I'm finished with my plants, I want to show you, like, aloe is completely full. This is low and her pot is completely full now with soil and it's pretty sturdy now. I did cut off 2 leaves because they were just hanging on for dear life, and they're over here. This is the conclusion, and I'm so glad I finally have all this together. I'm super excited to be a plant mom, and yeah, so I will show you guys the shelf coming up next for my closet rack. Alright, y'all, so I'm like a whole day and a half later, and it's nighttime now, but my package arrived and I didn't get home until 5:30 p.m. after work today. So I figured that I will do an opening of my package and y'all can watch me assemble it and put it together. I'm super excited that it arrived, and I'm actually shocked because it seems really light, but in the picture it looked really big and really heavy. And it was very light to carry up these steps to upstairs to my room. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and transform this little corner of my room. I'm gonna actually sit y'all up here like this, and now the fancy music will start playing.
Take our time, baby. We gon' take our time, baby. We gon' take our time.
Overall, if you watched this far along in the video to see the final product, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Also, on a scale of 1 to 10, this product is definitely a strong 8. It's very sturdy. It took about 35 to 45 minutes for me to put together. I just added a white stool, some spray for Better Homes from Walmart, some good burning wood sticks, and my new plant, which I introduced you guys in another video. And I added some earth tones from cream all the way to dark green to basically inspire me for the fall time. I probably will keep it like this until the end of the fall. If you guys want a video on how to organize your clothing rack to match your aesthetic, I definitely can do a separate video on that. But in the meantime, I took down my degree as well from this corner, added my long boots from Shein, and I just added another photo that talks about women being classy, and I'm just playing on neutral tones like green, tan, brown, cream, ivory, and those type of colors to inspire me for the fall. I'm so excited that you guys got to watch this entire video. Thank you so much for your support. Peace out.